Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily DVAR, and here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Wednesday, the 3rd day of December. Here we go. First of all, a reminder that starting on Thursday night at Maariv, we will be changing over from saying V'sein Beracha in our Shmona Esrei over to V'sein Tal Umato Livracha. We'll tell you a little bit more about that as it gets closer. Just want you to be forewarned. That starts on Thursday night. Now, halacha for you about lighting the menorah. When you light the menorah, there is a rule called Ein Mavirin al HaMitzvos, which means we don't like to pass in front of a mitzvah. Kind of like taking a mitzvah and saying, nah, I'll do you later. Getting in the habit of doing something like that would make us insensitive to mitzvahs, so we don't ever want to be that way. Therefore, we never like to have a mitzvah in front of us and say, I'll do you later. If you're in front of a mitzvah and you're prepared to do it, you just do it, and you show the zeal, the anxiousness to do a mitzvah. Now, where that applies is in lighting your menorah. You see, if you're, let's say, on the 5th night, and you have this big, wide menorah, such that you're going to make the bracha and you're going to be standing in front of light number 1. After you make the bracha and it's time to light, you're going to pass by light number 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to go right over to, let's say, number 5 and light it. You just passed over several candles and said, I'll do you later, I'll do you later, I'll do you later. If you're going to be lighting candle number 5, then as you make the bracha and as you hold your hand ready for the bracha, you should have your hand right in front of the candle that's going to be lit, so that as soon as you finish the bracha with zeal, you can go right to the candle, the one that's supposed to be lit, and you won't do any disrespect to the others. Remember the feeling here. The candles don't actually have feelings, they're inanimate objects, but the thing is, if you get used to treating a mitzvah in that offhanded kind of way, it's bad for you. That's the point, and that's why we always like to say, try to be kind to a mitzvah and don't disrespect a mitzvah. It'd be bad for you to get into such habits. Therefore, stand right in front of number 5, have your hand ready in front of number 5, make the bracha, finish. We're going to talk about exactly at what point you start lighting. That'll be in a future halacha, but the point is that when you finish reciting whatever you're reciting, you're ready to light immediately. And by the way, just add this on, if you're a lefty, then you should be holding the lighting candle in your left hand. You still do everything else in the same order as everybody else, which is starting from the right, filling them up, and then lighting from the left, as you've probably learned, but you do the lighting actually with your left hand if you're a lefty. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.